Great meals don't come from expensive ingredients. They come from passion. If you can cook this, you can create something amazing in your life too.
Simple, simple, simple. No delay. This is my macaroni. This is my milk powder. So I'm adding hot water.
Start with what you have. Use your hands and create something amazing. Cooking is not about perfection. It's about passion. And today I gave this dish my best.
I'm adding my salt, olive oil.
Good food doesn't need to be complicated. Just a little creativity and a lot of heart.
Relaxed.
Turning simple macaroni into something rich, creamy, and
20
unforgettable.
minutes it will cook. I'm adding half teaspoon of sugar.
Don't rush the process. Good things takes time. Just like this pasta, your life is coming together step by step. This is where the magic happens. When effort meets patience, never give up. Even when it feels slow, that's where greatness is built. If I can do this, you can do it too. Start where you are, use what you have, and believe in yourself. Oh Lord my God, when I am on some wonder, consider the works that hands have made. I see the stars, I hear the rolling thunder, the power throughout the universe displayed. Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. Simple ingredients, but look at this beauty. Never underestimate small beginnings. From simple macaroni to something rich and delicious, that is how success works. Keep going, your moment is coming. Keep cooking, keep growing, and never stop believing in yourself. From something so simple, look at how beautiful this is becoming. Just macaroni, but with the right touch, it turns into something unforgettable. Can you see the creamy texture? This is pure comfort in a bowl. Rich, creamy, cheesy. Every bite melts perfectly in your mouth. This is the kind of meal that makes you close your eyes after the first bite. Great meals don't come from expensive ingredients. They come from passion. If you can cook this, you can create something amazing in your life too. Simple macaroni turn into something special. That is the power of creativity. Don't just watch, try it and taste the magic yourself. Thank you if you are still watching. God bless you. So I'm sprinkling the top with some cheese. Now it's inside the oven, baking it small. Then we serve. You can see how attractive it is. Yeah. So please, if you are still watching, thank you so much. Thank you for watching my doings. God bless you and I love you all. Thank you.